For many, the thought of mathematics is such a nightmare. It brings memories of torturous times at school, maybe wondering why they had to be put through such painful moments. Yet the surprising reality is mathematics is such a fundamental subject to education. This thought is well depicted in two ancient languages. In Greek, it is learning. In Hebrew, it is root-worthy thinking. You see, education should not just be about acquiring knowledge, it must be gaining skills of learning. It is with these skills that spur our children to higher heights of achievements in life. These skills are vital in an ever-changing world. The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read or write, but rather those who cannot learn and relearn. Alvin Toffler. A solid foundation in mathematics and science develops and hones the skills of posing hypotheses, designing experiments and controls, analyzing data, recognizing patterns, seeking evidence, conclusions, and proof, solving problems, and seeking absolutes while being open to new information. If information is so important, if mathematics is so important, we need to find a better way of teaching it and help every child appreciate and fall in love with it. We also need to appreciate what mathematics is. At the core of mathematics are intertwined, related, and logical principles. It can also be viewed as a subject with building blocks, which means once a child misses some of these links or building blocks, it gets increasingly confusing for a student. Admittedly, some children are naturally good at mathematics than others. However, it is not so much about making mathematicians, but helping every child acquire at least fundamental skills in learning through mathematics. Therefore, we at Tokidz are excited to launch Maths Invaders in Africa that helps a child develop one of the most important skills to conquer mathematics, the skill to quickly and effortlessly recall basic maths, facts from long-time memory without conscious effort. Maths Invaders is an exciting educational game helping children to fully be engaged while having fun. The huge selection of topics and levels helps the struggler and dares the genius, starting with simple counting activities. Maths Invaders covers a massive range of mathematical content, including counting, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, fraction and percentages, numeration, square roots and powers, decimals and directed numbers. With Mathematics Invaders, a child can use any device, anywhere and anytime. They can also take part in competition at various levels covering maths from 1st grade to 10th grade and above. Thank you so much for listening. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to get in touch with us on info@tokidz.com.